Just when you thought it was safe to head down to your local camping ground, look out. The Kiwi Vanman is on the road again. This video is made possible by KVM, the Freedom and Stealth Camper Vans, keeping your dream to be free right on track.
Open up your eyes, take a deep breath, soak it all in, it's right on your doorstep. Feel the natural beauty seep into your heart, leave your cares behind you and get ready to start. We got to go, head on the open highway, let's go see where the sky meets the sea. We gotta go, see the beauty, do it my way. KVM inspire you and me, feeling only free.
Well, I'm on the road and it's about 11:45 Friday morning, just out of Auckland. I stopped to get a nice cup of coffee at a place called the Autobahn. I always stop if I'm heading south here to get a really nice cup of coffee. So like I said, it's about 11:45. My plan was to get out of Auckland before the proverbial hits the fan and the motorways and the highways get all chocked up and blocked up. So I'm out of the city now. I'm just going to cruise through to Hamilton. I've got something very special to show you in Hamilton, and probably have a little bit of lunch, and then I'll head over to Lake Karapiro where I'll stay the night. I think the weather's supposed to settle down a bit. I think tomorrow it's even supposed to chirp up a little bit and get quite good. So it'll be good tomorrow, but not sure about today, the rest of the day. But I haven't got any outdoor plans for today. What I'm going to show you today in Hamilton is indoors, and that is special. So I think you'll enjoy that. So anyway, let's fire up this Toyota Valfire and hit the road, shall we? You know what I say, always happy when I'm on the road. Okay, so we're coming into Rifle Range Road. We're in Hamilton, and we're coming into a very little special place here. Now, I've never stayed the night here, but you can. So let's go in and have a look around. Quite a few RVs and campers here today. Looks quite busy. Quite a busy little place. Still plenty of spots, plenty of places to park. But we're not going to park here. We're not going to take up a camping spot today. There's something else here quite special that I want to have a look around and I want to show you. And it is called the Jukebox Diner. Yeah, wait till you see what's inside, guys. Now look at the artwork around the walls here, just amazing. There is a door there, so let's go through and have a look and see what's on the other side, shall we? Oh my goodness. It's a museum. Bit of a toy museum here. Stop conditions of entry. This is incredible. This is incredible. Beautiful old fire engine here. Just beautifully restored. Right back as if it's in brand new condition. Fresh off the showroom floor. Now have a look at this Texaco truck. This is huge. It has been restored over a period of many years. A whole team of restorers worked on this Texaco truck, and it's just the most beautiful thing. If we have a look in here, it looks and smells like it's brand new. Now this is what it looked like before they actually restored it. Have a look at that, just a bucket of old rust. Just a bucket of old rust. Now that's me there in the pram. That was me when they started the restoration. It's me sitting in the pram there. Quite a cute little baby, wasn't I? You believe me? Now this is a speedway bike and it was owned and driven by 9 times world champion Kiwi Ivan Major. Now I remember as a very small child sitting by my father in front of the black and white TV, and we watched Ivan Major win one of those world championships, sitting down on the couch with my dad when I was a little boy. And he was riding it at Wembley Park Stadium in England, and we actually sat down together and watched Ivan Major win one of those world championships at the Speedway Park at Wembley Stadium. Goodness knows what year it was, but I've never ever forgotten it. It was just amazing to watch. And to be able to come up now and see the actual bike that Ivan Major was riding to win those world championships is just incredible. Boy, I wish my dad was here to see this. Well, I told you it was special, didn't I? And it really is. Maybe you've all been here already. Maybe I'm the last one to find it. But it really is a great place to stop and have breakfast, have lunch, or just call in, or even stay the night. $15 a night. It's pretty cool if you're passing through and you need somewhere to rest. Okay, it's time to hit the road. Let's get back in the van and head towards our camping spot for tonight. I actually want to put the tailgate tent up so you can all see it. I want to show everyone how good it is. So hopefully it's not raining this afternoon. If it stays like this, it'll be fine. I'll put the tailgate tent up so we can see what it looks like. And I want to have a practice as well. I haven't put it up. I put it up once before in my driveway. So I want to have a bit of a practice, and I want to show you how easy it is and how long it takes. It didn't take too long the first time I did it, so hopefully this time it will be even quicker. But if one person can do it easily and quickly, then I think a lot of people will be interested in having it once they see how good it is. If it doesn't rain, if it's not raining in the next few hours, it'll be fine. If it's heavy raining, I don't want to put it up. It will be a bit difficult. Plus, when I pack it all up and roll it up, everything will be wet. So If the rain holds off, it'll be fine. We can have a good look around it, put it up. I think there might be a small event on tomorrow, so there might be a few campers here getting ready, but it looks pretty quiet, so that suits me 100%. One of my favourite little hideaways, Mighty River Domain. There it is. So we'll head over to the office and book ourselves a nice little powered campsite. I did ring up last week and they said it's not busy, so just drive in and you'll be fine. So that's all I've done. I've just driven in, turned up without a booking. Right, so I am all booked in. I'm booked into site number 38. There is a small rowing event on here tomorrow, but today they said it should be very, very quiet and peaceful tonight, so that suits me. Not many campers here, just a few caravans. A big tent up there, that'll be for the function tomorrow, I would say. So let's head down here, look for spot number 38. Not too far away from all the facilities, the hot showers and the kitchens, things like that, where I like to go to clean all my pots and pans and cups and plates. I can go to the facilities here and mess up their kitchen rather than mess up mine. 38 looks like right up here under these beautiful big oak trees, and I can see the lake there too. Right, well, I'm all settled in here. A little bit windy outside. I mean, it's not just a little breeze, it's actually quite strong. So I'm not going to try and put the tailgate tent up, the tailgate awning, in a strong wind. A little bit of a breeze will be fine, but it's quite strong. So I'm just going to leave that. Maybe tomorrow or this evening, if the wind calms down, I will put the tailgate tent up, just to have some practice and to get it up in place and see how it looks. But I'm all settled in here. It's a powered site. I've got my power cord running out through the window and into the power box. I got my laptop all set up and plugged in here so I can watch Netflix or YouTube. I've got my radio here all connected up to the power. I got my fan plugged in. I've got a little fan heater down on the floor, just a very small one, which is plugged into the power as well. So I know I'm going to be warm and very cozy tonight, no worries at all. Now just over there are all the facilities, the shower, the toilets and the kitchen facilities. You do not need to be fully self-contained to stay here. You can stay here in a tent, or you can stay here in a van that is not legally or fully self-contained. I am self-contained in this van, but it hasn't got its legal certificate. I haven't done all the process that yet, or done all that. I have got a toilet, but I'm going to use the facilities over there because it's quite close. So you do not need your certificate and your self-containment to stay in some beautiful campgrounds all around New Zealand that are private land or proper campgrounds with all the facilities. Yeah, so that's fine. You can enjoy a lot of beautiful spots around New Zealand without needing all the full self-containment. Anyway, I'm going to chill out and relax. Might watch a little bit of YouTube. Got a couple of phone calls to make, and I might even have an afternoon nap. Why not? Be a little bit lazy. I'm going to end the video here, otherwise it's just going to get too long. and I'll pick up with you again soon, either tonight. If I start putting the tent up, I'll start a new video for the next video, or I will catch up with you in the morning when I'm cooking breakfast. Thanks for watching, guys. Click the like. Please make a comment below. Don't just watch the video and run away. Please make a comment. If you make a comment and a bit of interaction, that actually helps the channel. It helps the numbers, it helps the algorithms, and it gets our channel more recognized, and the vans will get more well known. So if you're watching the video, please show a little bit of support and just make a little comment, even if it's just a couple of words. Well done, or thank you, or the music was too loud, or something. Doesn't matter what the comment is. Just put a comment below, and that really supports me and supports the channel. Would really appreciate that. Okay, guys, stay safe. Enjoy your camping van wherever you are right now. I'll talk to you again soon. Over and out. Cheers.